Today, I'll show you how to reset your password in Xero, whether you've been prompted to update it for security reasons or you simply want something more secure and memorable. This walkthrough will take you through the process step by step. I'll explain what you'll see on screen and share a few tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect. First, open your web browser and go to the Xero website. In the address bar at the top of your browser, type in xero.com and press enter. Make sure you're on the official site before you sign in, especially if you've clicked a link from an email. Checking the address bar is a simple but important security habit. Once the Xero homepage loads, sign in with your existing login details if you're not already signed in. After you've successfully logged in, look towards the top right corner of the Xero dashboard. There you'll see your profile icon. This might appear as your initials inside a small circle, or it may show an avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile icon in the top right corner. When you click it, a small menu will drop down. This menu is where you can manage your account settings, switch organizations if you have access to more than one, and update personal details. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Profile. Go ahead and click Profile to open your account profile page. The profile page is where Xero stores your basic account information, such as your name, email address, time zone, and security settings. Take a moment to let the page load fully and then look for the section related to your password. This is usually clearly labeled, often just called password. Next to the password field, you'll see an option to change it. This may appear as a link or a button that says Change. Click on that change option. This will open a secure password change form. On the password change screen, you'll typically be asked to enter your current password first. This is a security check to confirm that it's really you making the change. Carefully type in your current password, making sure your caps lock key is not accidentally turned on. Then you'll enter your new password. Choose something that's strong and difficult to guess, but still something you'll remember. A good approach is to use a combination of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or simple words. Xero may show you password requirements on the screen, such as minimum length or required character types, so follow those guidelines. You'll usually need to confirm your new password by typing it a second time. This helps catch any typing mistakes. Make sure both entries match exactly. Once you've filled in all the required fields, click the button to save or confirm your new password. After a moment, you should see a confirmation message letting you know that your password has been successfully updated. From now on, use this new password whenever you sign into Xero. Consider saving it in a reputable password manager so you don't forget it. That's all there is to it. You've now reset your password in Xero using the profile settings and the change option in the password section.